Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. It's 6:30 in the morning here in Australia. I'm about to do a little house slab. She's a little one, 170 squares. Oh, there's a step down there. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're just filling the ribs in now. Went around the outside, went around the step down a bit. Alright, we've got the step down poured. Go around the step down first, and then we'll start doing the slab now. Right, we've got a bit in. I've just screwed it all off so far. Looking good. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Concrete Ninja. We're just doing a little house slab today for Dave and these guys. I've got a bit of a sore finger. I'll show you my finger. You can see how swollen my finger is. I heard it about a month ago, and it just keeps getting worse. Kept me awake all night. It started going in my elbow. I don't know what's going on. It's arthritis or it's fucking broken, or I don't know. But we'll see. I'll go see the doctor. Alright, let's go. Actually, today's episode is going to be about what's the worst injury you've had and you had to come to work still. Have you been sick? Have you been something broken? Had a sore foot? Like Richie, coming to work with a sore foot. He got run over by a bobcat. Simon hurt his foot on a motorbike, still come to work. What's your worst conditions that you've come to work in? Let's see. Mine's, I don't know, Mediterranean fever and a broken knee, dislocated knee. That was probably my worst. Anyway. 8 o'clock and we've just been waiting for the trucks and we just got some. It's on its go. Alright, it's 8:20. Just did a little bit more past the pipes. I reckon it's very wet to ball float.
It's more if you leave it, mate. The bleed water.
Yeah.
Like
We want to ball float before the bleed water, so we'll do it straight away. Leave it too long. Right, next trap. Sick. Beautiful. Alright, it's 9:20 and we just got some concrete. One of the trucks broke down and we've been waiting this whole time. Now we've got 2 trucks in a row. What the hell? Okay, it's 10:45 and we finally got the house in. We're actually still got the patio to go. There's still a little bit of part of the patio to go. There's only 3 of us here. Me, Phil and Dave are doing this one. So yeah, not good. Sore finger, killing me. Swelling up like a mother. But anyway. Shit happens, let's go. Dave's gonna give us a bit extra for the day, so. Alright, we're still flat out. Me and Phil are doing stripping it all, edging, trailing, doing all the crap. Dave's finishing the slab, and I'm fucking sore and tired and hot. What a day. It's 2 o'clock and we're nearly done. We've got a little bit more to strip. Phil's just ripping a little bit out. We've been flat out. It's only me, Dave, and Phil today. Everyone else bailed on us, so it was a hard day, but oh well. Alright guys, that's it for me today. My day's over. Just gotta go and strip that little bit over there and I'm finished. Oh, it's been a hot day and my hand's been sore, my body's been sore. So what's the worst thing you've come to work with? What's the worst sickness or worst injury? And you're still rocked up at work? Leave a comment down below and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, have fun.